Hi, my name is Takar, and I'm an athletic trainer here at Orthopedic 1. I just wanted to come and talk to you guys a little bit about some cardiovascular health today during this stagnant time. I know it can be easy for a lot of us to sit around, binge watch Netflix, do stuff on our laptops because we have to for work, but while we're doing that, we're also increasing our chances of getting heart disease, diabetes, and even premature death. The good thing is, there's something we could do about that. An article posted in the Clinical Journal of Neuropathy in April of 2015 stated that if we get about 2.5 minutes of light activity per hour throughout our day, we can decrease our chances of getting that by up to 33%. So what I want to challenge you all to do today is find some small time here and there each hour throughout your day to do small tasks like either cleaning, gardening, cooking, or walking, just to make sure that we're keeping our cardiovascular health strong and healthy. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.